To help us build background knowledge, we're going to read sections of this book about rainforests. One of the nice things about nonfiction that's different from fiction is that you don't need to read the entire book. You can just read sections of the book that will help you learn what you need or want to know. Today, we're going to be reading the book Rainforests by Precious McKenzie, but we're only going to be reading sections of the book. We're going to read this first section here, What's So Special About Rainforests? We're also going to be using the nonfiction text features to help us understand what we're reading. Found near the equator, rainforests are warm, extremely wet areas that have many trees. Rainforests receive 77 inches or 200 centimeters to 400 inches, 1,000 centimeters of rain annually. That means every year. The average temperature in a rainforest is 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. That's really hot. In this map, we see areas in green that are rainforests. The caption tells us the tropical rainforests, approximately 6% of Earth's surface, grow in Central and South America, Australia, Asia, and Africa. Let's move on to the next section of the book that we want to read. So we're actually going to skip through these next few pages. It tells us a lot about the different parts of the rainforest, as well as the animals that you would find there. We're going to stop here on this section about rainforest flora or plants. The plants of the rainforest do not only feed and shelter animals, they feed people too. Humans harvest cocoa, that's what we make chocolate from, bananas, vanilla, avocados, coffee, mangoes, papayas, macadamia nuts, cashews, and Brazil nuts from the rainforests. This caption tells us that we use vanilla beans in many of our favorite foods. We use vanilla, especially in desserts like cookies, cakes, things like that. Humans also make products out of rainforest plants, like rubber, chewing gum, rattan furniture, and bamboo flooring all come from plants found in the rainforest. Rainforest facts. Scientists use rainforest plants to develop new medicines for sick people. Quinine, the drug for malaria, and ipecac, the drug for dysentery, originates from plants. Researchers even think that the cure for cancer will come from rainforest plants. That makes me think that preserving the rainforest is really important, not just for the animals that live there, but for us too. This caption tells us that sometimes the papaya is called the pawpaw and is eaten in salads, stews, and made into juice. The final section that we're going to read is about the vanishing rainforest. The header is Vanishing. Conservationists estimate that 40 to 50 million acres or 20 million hectares of rainforests are destroyed each year. Logging, mining, farming, and road construction cause most of the damage to this delicate ecosystem. If we humans do not change our practices, rainforests could completely vanish in less than 100 years. Large, barren tracts of land are all that remain of thousands of acres in the Amazon. That's the caption for this photograph here. And these areas that are stripped bare, that's what they mean by barren. It's completely empty now of trees. In this photograph, we see the caption says, loggers cut down trees that are over 100 years old and rarely plant saplings or baby trees to replace the old trees. In this photograph, the caption tells us loggers stack trees that have been cut down and burn them in order to clear land for farming. Finally, how can you help? The section says how you can help. To conserve existing rainforest land, you should purchase sustainable products. These are plants grown and harvested in a responsible manner by small family farmers who live near the rainforests. You can educate others by telling them the importance of protecting rainforests. Write to conservation organizations, your state or local government representatives, and international corporations. Encourage them to work closely with other nations and businesses to protect rainforests. Encourage people to plant trees, recycle, and shop responsibly. Some of the small decisions you make each and every day could have a profound impact on saving the world's rainforests. That's it. That's the end of the book. And of course, if you want to, you can go to Epic. I have assigned this book to you, and you can go ahead and read more about the rainforests.